Hi, so this is Jeet back with a new video. In today's video, I have a new Pop Race car which is PR64. This is the car which I really liked. I looked this for on Instagram and I found this near my house. There is a store called Cars and Cards. So this will be in orange color. As you can see, the box finishing looks really good. It has not been opened yet, and there behind that I have near the cutter my Volkswagen truck or whatever, rally trolley, I don't know what is it called, but that one in a blue color. Also red and black Nissan Skyline, which is of Liberty Walk. So already I have a video on that on my channel, and I am opening this one now to have a look. So it is orange in color. The box finish is matte, not like the Nissan Skyline or Mini GT. It is not glossy one. So here this car looks really good. The box finish is nice. It is not that bad, honestly. For $25 something, it is not bad at all. Let me open this box real quick. And seeing this, there is a black color plastic in which we have our car safely kept inside the box. The packaging was really nice. Let's see the car. It looks really stunning. This is also a Nissan Skyline, I think so. This is Nissan. So this has a really nice hood. The body finish is really great. If you see the lights from tail light and the front light, it was best. This car is one of my favorite in my collection. I have over hundreds of cars, and for sure this is the best and nearly the smoothest. The best car while I push and it goes max is my Mercedes CLK, I guess that's the name, but I thought the hood won't open. It has a rubber side glasses, if you can see on the hood. So yeah, this is not that great, but yeah, it does wobble a bit, but it's nice. As I mentioned, rubber glass are nice. The engine looks really good from the top view. If you see the cylinders coming out, I don't know what is it called, what is it as well. I'm not that knowledgeable in cars, but yeah, I do like that one. Now look of the car. As you could see, this it has a really nice wheels. It has a rubber wheels and it spins really smooth as I move back and forth. The box, if I move this, you can have a clear view now. As you could see this, let me focus on it. Perfect. This looks good, honestly. Yeah. So it has tire guards or mud guards, what is it called, I don't know, but it has a bit outside from side covering the tire. And let me open the trunk. I was opening it from the wrong side with my blade, and then I found that it opens up from the front as a normal car. It is so good. Very honestly saying this is so good. I really like this car. I did not expected this to open, very honestly. I knew that there will be some parts moving in this, but yeah, as you can see, the car looks best. This has a very nice detailing. In terms of detail, I would rate this car as 9 out of 10 in terms of detailing. You see the engine, that's stunning view, right? Now it has a great view. And also it has a boot open up, but I did not open that because, as I mentioned, I did not know at that time while I was making video. So that was it from my side.